the Bermuda Triangle, a North Atlantic mystery. Known for its mysterious disappearances and incredible phenomena, the Bermuda Triangle is one of the most deservedly famous research sites in the world. Spanning the space between the tip of Bermuda, Miami, and Puerto Rico, the region has been the scene of some of the most mysterious and baffling events. Located in the western North Atlantic, the Bermuda Triangle has long attracted the attention of explorers, mariners and mystery lovers. The story of the Bermuda Triangle began to attract the attention of the community as early as the mid-20th century, when reports of disappearing ships and airplanes began to surprise the world. Legends of traceless disappearances, strange clouds and unusual magnetic fields created a mysterious fog around the region. The history of the Bermuda Triangle spans decades and includes many mysterious events that have captured the attention of explorers, navigators, and mystery lovers. Here is a brief overview of the important events and legends associated with this mysterious region. One of the founding and first stories that give rise to the mystery of the Bermuda area can be considered the story of Flight 19. The concept of the Bermuda Triangle began to take shape in the mid-20th century. One of the first significant events was the disappearance of 5 bombers during Flight 19 in December 1945. The crew had gotten lost during a training flight near Bermuda. Flight 19 was one of the most famous, and perhaps one of the first grand incidents involving the Bermuda Triangle. The event occurred on December 5, 1945, when 5 Avenger TBM-1C type bombers went missing during a training flight from a U.S. Navy base in Florida. Thus, the crews, consisting of 5 pilots, were to perform a training flight, during which they were to perform navigation exercises in the area of Bermuda and return to base. However, something went wrong during the flight. Flight 19 took off at 2:10 p.m. local time from the Fort Lauderdale base in Florida. The crews were part of the U.S. Navy's 6th Bomber Squadron. The flight took off without any problems, but during their flight the pilots encountered navigational difficulties. For unclear reasons, they lost their reference points and could not determine their position. At the same time, there was also an unexplained disorder in radio communications. The pilots encountered problems communicating with the naval base. Judging from intercepts of conversations, the pilots expressed their anxiety and were confused about their position. And by the end of the training flight, all attempts to communicate with Flight 19 were unsuccessful. The last message received from the squadron commander stated, "We cannot determine our course. We can't see land. There is sea everywhere." Rescue missions were organized following the loss of communications, but none of the aircraft or crew members were found. All 14 pilots, including the crew of Flight 19, are reported missing. There are many theories and assumptions about the incident. For example, the theory about navigational errors. One of the main theories is that the pilots made serious navigational errors, which led to the pilots being misled as to their location. Also, the pilots may have encountered anomalous magnetic phenomena, i.e., radiation, in the Bermuda Triangle area, which led to distorted compass and landmark readings. And the technology at the time was far from modern and had less protection from external factors. Theories also link the disappearance to air vortices and atmospheric conditions that may have created disruptions in radio communications and navigation systems. There is also speculation about possible problems with the fuel system, which led to the forced landing at sea. Some theories offer psychic or supernatural explanations, such as the impact of ghost ships or temporal anomalies. Which is what makes the Bermuda Triangle so mysterious and mystical. Despite all the research and theories, the disappearance of Flight 19 remains a mystery, contributing to the myth of the Bermuda Triangle. The second, equally interesting and mysterious, is the story of the disappearance of Star Tiger and Star Ariel. In 1948 and 1949, two British South American airliners, Star Tiger and Star Ariel, disappeared while flying through the Bermuda Triangle. Both cases also remain unsolved. The disappearance of the passenger airliners Star Tiger and Star Ariel has become part of the mystical history of the Bermuda Triangle. Both incidents occurred in the late 1940s, further increasing interest in this mysterious region. The following is a brief look at both incidents. The first was the Star Tiger. The event happened on January 30, 1948. Star Tiger was a British South American Airways passenger airplane flying from the Azores to Bermuda. So on January 30, 1948, the plane disappeared during the flight. Dispatch lost contact with it. The last message was received at 3:15 a.m. local time, when the crew confirmed the successful crossing of Carlisle Point. However, when they tried to contact the plane 10 minutes later, communication had already been lost. Immediately, multiple rescue operations were launched. Despite extensive search operations, no trace of the aircraft or its 25 passengers and crew was found. Numerous theories have been advanced, including suggestions of bad weather conditions, technical problems, and navigational errors. However, the specific circumstances and the true causes of the disappearance remain unknown to this day. The second, a short time later, was Star Ariel. The incident occurred on January 17, 1949. This airliner, as well as Star Tiger, also belonged to British South American Airways and was flying from England to Bermuda. But on January 17, 1949, like the Star Tiger, the Star Ariel disappeared during a flight in the Bermuda Triangle area. The last contact with the airplane occurred at 10:13 p.m. local time, when the crew reported normal flight conditions. Again, despite extensive search operations, neither the plane nor its 20 crew members and passengers were found. And similar to Star Tiger, theories about poor visibility, technical problems, and aerial phenomena have not led to a concrete explanation for Star Ariel's disappearance. In both cases, despite investigations, the official reasons for the disappearances remain unknown. The disappearances of the Star Tiger and Star Ariel continue to maintain the mysterious image of the Bermuda Triangle and are the subject of discussion and speculation. Over the next few decades, legends and stories of mysterious events in the Bermuda Triangle began to take shape. Incredible disappearances of ships and airplanes, as well as tales of strange phenomena, aroused widespread public interest. One of the extensive and hypothetical descriptions of this region of Bermuda, as well as of the Bermuda Triangle itself, is the Sunken City Project. In 1968, the American writer Vincent Gaddis published a book. There he suggested that ships and airplanes that disappeared as a result of underwater volcanoes might be in the water. The Sunken City Project is a hypothetical speculation and research presented in American writer Vincent Gaddis's book The Sunken Cities of the Bermuda Triangle, Limbo of the Lost, published in 1968. Gaddis proposed the idea that the missing ships and airplanes associated with the Bermuda Triangle may have actually been pulled into the water by underwater volcanoes. The main ideas and documents of the project were just that. Vincent Gaddis proposed the theory that underwater volcanoes create huge water vortices, forming a kind of gateway or funnel from the vortex that can pull ships and airplanes into the water. The sunken city hypothesis also suggests that under the influence of underwater volcanoes and vortices, ships and airplanes may be underwater rather than disappearing or floating on the surface of the water. Vincent Gaddis also suggests linking the disappearance to the myth of Atlantis. He believes that these underwater volcanoes and eddies may be related to the legendary sinking of Atlantis. It is noteworthy, however, that Gaddis did not provide physical evidence for his hypothesis and that most scientists and researchers did not take his theory seriously. Many critics point to the lack of scientific facts and emphasize that the sunken city theory is better than the evidence-based one. The sunken city hypothesis was not widely accepted in the scientific community, but he drew attention to the mysterious side of the Bermuda Triangle and emphasized the importance of a rational and scientific approach to studying such phenomena. In contrast, a scientific theory exists and is being developed. Many scientists have attempted to explain and describe the incidents that have occurred in the Bermuda Triangle. So in a number of early events in the sunken city theory, in subsequent years, researchers have proposed various scientific theories to explain the mysterious events in the region. These theories include magnetic anomalies, gravitational effects, underwater volcanoes and changes in ocean currents. The scientific theories proposed to explain the Bermuda Triangle phenomena are usually based on real data and scientific principles. Let's look at each of them in a little more detail. Magnetic anomalies. So, one of the scientific aspects is related to magnetic anomalies in the Bermuda Triangle area. The area has peculiarities in the Earth's magnetic field that can affect the operation of compasses. This can cause ships and airplanes to lose their direction on navigational instruments, which in turn causes navigational problems. This can be the actual characteristics of the region itself, or the soil on the ocean floor in the region, for example. The abundance of magnetic minerals like nickel metal ores. So, the Earth's magnetic field is generated by the internal iron and nickel found in the planet's core. This magnetic field serves as a kind of protective shield, guiding charged solar wind particles around the Earth. In different parts of the world, the Earth's magnetic field can have different inclinations and strengths. These variations are natural and depend on the geologic structure of the Earth's crust. Cases of compass deviation, where the compass arrow deviates from true north, have been reported in the Bermuda Triangle area. This can be misleading for navigation of ships and aircraft. Some magnetic anomalies have been observed in the Bermuda Triangle area due to the geology and magnetic structure of the Earth's crust beneath the ocean floor. Magnetic anomalies can affect the operation of compasses and magnetic navigation systems on ships and aircraft. In low visibility conditions or in the absence of modern technology, this can lead to navigational errors. Modern research is being conducted using specialized magnetometers and ships to more accurately measure magnetic fields in the region. These measurements help scientists better understand the nature of magnetic anomalies. Although magnetic anomalies can affect navigation, they do not explain all the mystical aspects of the Bermuda Triangle. Other factors such as weather, technical problems, and human error also play a role in disappearances and incidents in this region. Studies also indicate the presence of gravity anomalies in the region. Changes in the gravitational field can affect the movement of water and air, creating unusual phenomena such as air-water eddies and currents. Gravity anomalies in the Bermuda Triangle region are deviations in the Earth's gravitational field that differ from expected values. These anomalies can affect the movement of water and air, creating special conditions that can affect ships and aircraft. Thus, the Earth's gravitational field is caused by the mass of the planet and the distribution of this mass. It creates a force of gravity that attracts all objects to the center of the Earth. In turn, satellite missions and gravity measurements with gravimeters allow scientists to obtain maps of the Earth's gravitational fields with high accuracy. In the Bermuda Triangle region, some gravitational anomalies have been detected using these measurements. These anomalies may indicate the presence of changes in the local geology and density of materials beneath the Earth's surface. Gravity anomalies can affect the movement of water in the oceans, causing currents and eddies to form. These currents can create hazardous conditions for ships, especially when combined with other factors such as weather. Gravitational changes and air phenomena are also closely linked. Changes in the gravity field can also affect atmospheric conditions, causing changes in air currents and weather patterns, causing storms and eddies, and typhoons. With the use of modern gravimetric studies, scientists can more accurately measure gravity anomalies in the Bermuda Triangle region. These studies are helping to understand the nature of gravity changes and their impact on the environment. While gravity anomalies may play a role in some of the phenomena associated with the Bermuda Triangle, they represent just one factor in the complex conditions of this region. A general understanding of this mysterious region requires a comprehensive approach that takes into account various natural and geological factors. Atmospheric conditions also play a major role in cases of disappearances. Weather conditions such as storms and typhoons are common in the region. These can create high winds, high waves, and other dangerous conditions for ships and airplanes. The Bermuda Triangle area often experiences a variety of atmospheric phenomena that can affect the safety of ships and aircraft. An important factor is the combination of different atmospheric conditions that can create unfavorable and dangerous situations. Storms and thunderstorms are not uncommon in the Bermuda area. The Bermuda Triangle is located in an area where severe tropical storms and thunderstorms can occur. These atmospheric phenomena are accompanied by strong winds, high waves and intense rainfall, which can be dangerous for ships. Warm and cold currents in the area can cause the formation of water eddies. These eddies can be dangerous for ships as they can cause strong currents and create unpredictable navigation conditions. The Bermuda Triangle is also famous for its mystical fogs. Fogs can reduce visibility, making it difficult to navigate. In addition, navigational errors can also occur in these conditions. Thermodynamic phenomena are not uncommon here. The area is subject to various thermodynamic processes, such as the interaction of cold and warm air masses. This can lead to sudden weather changes and wind events affecting ships and airplanes. Due to the frequency of storms, frequent lightning activity in this region can pose additional risks to aircraft. Lightning flashes and electrical discharges can affect the electronics of onboard equipment. According to many estimates, the weather in the Bermuda Triangle area can change rapidly. This rapid change in conditions can cause unexpected difficulties for sailing and flying. The unique geographical location and climatic conditions make this region prone to various atmospheric phenomena. Together, these factors can create complex and dangerous situations for vehicles. But it is important to note that most incidents in the Bermuda Triangle can be explained by rational scientific principles. Many disappearances can be linked to technical problems on board ships or airplanes. For example, engine failures, electronics failures or other technical problems can lead to emergencies. Navigation errors can be a key factor, In the past, when technology was less accurate, unfavorable weather conditions could make it difficult to pinpoint your location. With the use of modern technologies such as satellite navigation systems and deep-sea exploration, scientists can more accurately study the physical and geographical features of the region. It is important to note that while these scientific theories provide reasonable and explainable factors for the phenomena in the Bermuda Triangle, many of the disappearances remain uncertain and require additional research. Questions about mysterious disappearances continue to pique the interest of scientists, mariners, and the public. But why is the Bermuda Triangle so popular and mysterious? In the 1970s and 1980s, the subject of the Bermuda Triangle gained popularity in TV shows and movies, solidifying its reputation as a mysterious place and attracting public attention. Modern research continues to explore the phenomena associated with the Bermuda Triangle. Satellite technology and deep-sea exploration will help to better define the nature of the region and debunk some of the myths. Modern research on the Bermuda Triangle involves the use of advanced technology and scientific methods to better understand the nature of the region. Here are some aspects of modern research. Scientists are using advanced gravity meters and magnetometers to measure gravity and magnetic anomalies in the Bermuda Triangle area. These measurements will help us better understand the geologic structure and composition of the Earth's crust. Advances in satellite communications and the industry in general, as well as satellite navigation systems, allow scientists to more accurately track the movement of ships and aircraft in real time, allowing them to track routes and respond to emergencies, which has almost negated the problems of navigation failures and loss of ships and aircraft in general. Many studies focus on the oceanographic conditions of the region. This includes measuring water temperatures, studying ocean currents and detecting underwater formations. Careful meteorological observations are also being made to identify the specific atmospheric conditions of the Bermuda Triangle. This is important for understanding how weather affects the safety of shipping and flying in the region. Archaeologists, in turn, are conducting surveys in the Bermuda Triangle area to identify and study potential underwater archaeological finds such as shipwrecks and structures. Intensive and ongoing studies of magma activity in the Bermuda Triangle area may help scientists understand if there is underwater volcanic activity that could affect surface conditions. Equally important are the seafloor studies in the region conducted using deep-sea and underwater vehicles that study the structure of the seafloor and its influence on flows and eddies. Modern research in the Bermuda Triangle seeks to explain the mysterious aspects of the region and to better understand what is happening in this part of the North Atlantic. More and more scientists are striving to use objective and scientific methods to unlock the secrets of the region. Despite the many proposed theories and scientific studies, many of the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle remain unknown. The region continues to attract investment. Many scientific studies have been conducted to solve the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. Hypotheses have been hypothesized for theories about gravitational anomalies, underwater volcanoes, magnetic anomalies and even the existence of time portals. But despite all efforts, none of them could provide a definitive answer to all the mysteries of the region. Although much has become clear, there are many theories and speculations about the nature of the mysterious Bermuda Triangle phenomenon. Some believe it to be the result of a natural process, while others adhere to versions about the influence of alien forces and the use of Atlantis technology. The Bermuda Triangle remains an unexplored corner of the planet, full of mysteries and enigmatic phenomena. Despite scientific research, many of its mysteries remain unsolved, continuing to fuel the curiosity of researchers and stimulate the imagination of fans of riddles and puzzles. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the most interesting and misunderstood places in maritime history. Whether it is simply a natural phenomenon or a hidden secret, this corner of the North Atlantic continues to raise questions and challenge us to understand the mysteries of the world around us. The Bermuda Triangle became famous in the mid-20th century due to several stories of ships and airplanes disappearing in the region. Legends of traceless disappearances, strange clouds, and unusual magnetic fields sparked a wave of interest and challenge from the scientific community. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the most fascinating and mysterious places on our planet. Despite scientific efforts and research, many of its mysteries remain unsolved and continue to inspire people to think and learn in search of answers to the riddles of the sea. All existing theories generate even more theories. So one of the most popular theories describing the mysterious events in the Bermuda Triangle is related to magnetic and electromagnetic phenomena. Some researchers believe that the presence of large magnetic anomalies in the area could affect the compass and navigation system, leading to the loss of ships and airplanes, as mentioned above. Another theory relates to the presence of strong ocean eddies and ocean currents in the region. Strong underwater currents can cause unusual weather phenomena such as sluices and tornadoes, which are thought to pose a hazard to navigation and aviation. One of the most exotic theories is the effect of cosmic rays on the electronics of air and water vehicles. Some speculation claims that these rays can cause electronic and compass malfunctions, leading to disorientation and disappearance. The scientific community, for its part, does not recognize cosmic ray theories as an explanation for mystical phenomena in the Bermuda Triangle. However, some theories proposed by popularizers of research into the region claim that intense cosmic ray fluxes may be related to unexplained phenomena, such as loss of radio communications and other technical problems. But let's take a closer look at this theory. Cosmic rays are particles, mostly protons and atomic nuclei, that originate from cosmic sources such as solar flares and extrasolar events. When they enter Earth's atmosphere, they can interact with atoms, creating a cascade of particles. The theory suggests that intense cosmic ray fluxes can affect the electronics of ships and aircraft. As a result of such impact, communication, navigation and other onboard systems may malfunction. Some hypotheses claim that cosmic rays can create electromagnetic pulses that can cause temporary malfunctions in the electronics on board vehicles. Thus, when exposed to strong cosmic rays, there may be temporary or long-term technical problems that affect the operation of ships and airplanes. However, it is important to note that most modern technology has protection from cosmic rays, and many cases of technical failures aboard ships and airplanes, including in the Bermuda Triangle area, can be attributed to other, more common causes, such as equipment malfunctions, bad weather, human error, etc. This cosmic ray theory is not widely accepted scientifically, and is considered less likely than the more thorough explanations for the mystical phenomena in the Bermuda Triangle. This cosmic ray theory is not widely accepted scientifically, and is considered less likely than more thorough explanations for the mystical phenomena in the Bermuda Triangle. Equally important is the parapsychological theory. There are also theories related to the paranormal and parapsychological phenomena. Some claim that the Bermuda Triangle is a place where different dimensions intersect, which could explain unexplained disappearances. Parapsychological theory is an alternative approach to explaining the mystical and unexplained phenomena in the Bermuda Triangle. Based on parapsychology, a field of study that investigates phenomena that fall outside the traditional understanding of science. This theory suggests that parapsychological factors are affecting ships and airplanes in the region. Here are some aspects of parapsychological theory in the context of the Bermuda Triangle. One aspect of parapsychology is the possibility of the mind affecting the environment. The theory suggests that psychic abilities or telekinesis may play a role in creating the unexplained events in the Bermuda Triangle. It is possible that the psychokinetic effects of the human mind can cause technical failures aboard ships and airplanes, including loss of communication and other anomalies. It is hypothesized that parapsychological phenomena can create energy fields that affect the onboard systems of vehicles. The idea that transcendental states of consciousness or psychic experiences can create mysterious effects that affect navigation and technical devices. It has been suggested that paranormal phenomena such as ghosts or other unseen forces may play a role in creating the mystical aspects of the Bermuda Triangle. This theory is based on the idea that parapsychological phenomena such as telekinesis, transcendental states, and other anomalies can affect technical devices and create mysterious phenomena in the Bermuda Triangle region. However, it is worth noting that parapsychology in general is not a widely recognized field in the scientific community, and theories based on such concepts often meet resistance among scientists. The incredible allure of the Bermuda Triangle is also linked to its mysterious and legendary side. Various stories of supernatural events, sightings and even encounters with unidentified objects create an atmosphere of mystery and excitement. The Bermuda Triangle has been the subject of many mysterious stories and legends, creating a mysterious aura around the region. For example, one of the most mysterious features of the Bermuda Triangle is the disappearance of ships and airplanes without any visible traces or remains. This gives the impression that they disappear into nowhere, which has become the basis of many myths. Some witnesses claim to have seen unidentified luminous objects in the sky. These phenomena are often attributed to the possible presence of alien beings or technology, although most cases can be explained by natural phenomena. Magnetic and gravity anomalies are also not uncommon in this region. For example, anomalous values of the magnetic field and gravity field have been noted in the Bermuda Triangle area. This has been the basis for theories about possible technological or natural anomalies affecting transportation. There are also legends of mysterious vortices that can engulf ships and airplanes, often found in stories about the Bermuda Triangle. These vortices may be related to currents and water eddies, but they add to the mystique of the region. As stated, there is a myth linking the Bermuda Triangle to the sunken civilization of Atlantis. According to this theory, it is possible that the remains of Atlantis were submerged in the region, bringing mysterious aspects to the disappearances and anomalies. Witnesses have also reported unusual sounds, including strange whistling or humming noises that can be perceived as unexplained phenomena, adding to the mystique of the area. It is important to note that most scientific theories provide rational explanations for many of the mysterious aspects of the Bermuda Triangle. Nevertheless, mysticism and legends continue to attract attention, creating a mysterious perception of the region. The Bermuda Triangle continues to be a mysterious region of the world's oceans, and continues to inspire the minds of explorers, sailors and mystery lovers. Many theories and hypotheses provide explanations for some phenomena. but they cannot fully reveal all the secrets of this unique region. Thus, the Bermuda Triangle arouses the interest and imagination of those who try to understand the limits of our knowledge of the world around us, creating a mysterious world. Thanks for watching, my friend. Don't forget to watch our other videos and learn new mysteries of the universe. We have a lot more interesting things in store for you.